What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is Zoom. This is the Poké Shed, and today we're getting into a collector's chest. We're gonna see what's packed for lunch. Let's get to it. All right, guys. So here it is, the new collection 10, the collector's chest. Packed with Pokemon treasures. Comes with 3 foil cards featuring Rillaboom, Cinderace, and Inteleon, 5 booster packs, and much more. So let's, if I can, get into this thing. There we go. Did all that, and I had a pair of scissors right there. All right. Here's the trash. All right. We've got Chunky Chew and the big boy Charizard on the top. We got Rillaboom, Cinderace, and Inteleon. Chunky Chew on the side. Pokemon logo and Charizard on this side. So let's just crack it open. See what we got. Don't want to knock the camera over. But one of the main reasons for me getting this is this guy, of course. But it also comes with this very nice Charizard coin and the other 2 final evolutions of the starters. We'll set it up way back there. Can't really see it on camera, but it's there. And then let's see what else we got. We got we got Sword Shield base, Burning Shadows, and Sun and Moon base, and 2 Vivid Voltage. Excuse me. And we got some stickers, some large ones, small and medium ones. And we got some of the final evolutions. For the starters, we got a notepad. Nice. And we got a little binder. Keep our pulls in. And the tin's also nice for keeping your bulk. Alright, so while I'm getting this ready, on the screen you will see the random wheel generator showing the winner of last week's giveaway from last week's video. And hopefully that will be on screen. And if you don't see it, the winner will be shown in the description below. So y'all check that out. We're going to start with Sun and Moon base. There's a code from Snubble. Alright, 4 from the back. Let's jump into it. We got Water, Dragonair, Golbats, Pokemon Catcher. There's Snubble, Alolan Rattata, Sandile, Pick-a-Peck, Spearow, Reverse Cloyster, and Cloyster. Double up. Alright, so we doubled up on that one. Oh, and here is your code for the chest itself. Didn't see that one, but got it for you anyways. Has anybody else opened up these chests? If so, let me know how your pulls were. Always like to hear how everybody else has done with different products. I did want to keep it sealed, but also did want to get that promo out of there and see what we can pull. Never hurts. Always can get another one. Water. Heats more. Metal saucer. Quick ball. Sobble. Rhyhorn. Roselia. Feral Seed. Galarian Zigzagoon. Sea King, and a regular rare Ninetales. Alright. Now we're going to jump into Burning Shadows. See what we can get. Alright. Everybody knows our main gold card for this set. Old Big Fire Lizard. Alright, we got Magikarp, handing you a code. 4 from the back. Spinning around. See what we got. Super Scoop Up, Electabuzz, Sophocles, Magikarp, Mudbray, Alolan Rattata, Panpour, Caterpie, Heracross, and Electivire. So far, this chest is killing us. Other than our 3 promos, don't have nothing to show for it, but we have some vivid voltage to end it on. See if we could end with some magic. Hopefully there's something good in here. Alright, we got Mudbray handing a code. I give out codes every video, so you guys ring that notification bell. That way you will be able to get some codes, watch some cards pulled, hopefully some good stuff. Nessa, Mudbray, Poochyena, Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Cottony Reverse, and Metagross. Metagross, however you say it. Alright. Last pack. Old Chunky Chew. Come on. Bless us with some pulls. Maybe your rainbow brother. Anything at this point. Anything. Alright, we got Riolu. Handing you out a code. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the back. Let's see. Oh, here we go. We got a Zoom Energy. Alistair. Metang. Kakuna. Eevee. Seedot. Electrike. Clefairy. Beedrill, Reverse. See if we can end it on something. A Ninjask. Sorry guys, nothing at all. Unless you count some reverses. Alright guys, so nothing on this video. Sorry about that one. Tried our best on it. I would say pulls are not too great in the new collector's chest, but let me know in the comments what you guys have pulled out of these, if you have pulled anything. Once again, I hope you saw who won last week's giveaway. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and I will see you on the next one.